The Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, is helping provide power to Mimaropa with 135 solar energy systems which will benefit more than 5,000 people. A sapit from the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, tells us more.
Some 5,400 individuals across the Mimaropa region have benefited from 135 solar energy systems that were installed by the Department of Science and Technology. With a total investment of 44.6 million pesos, DOST Mimaropa said that this project has taken significant steps to improve the lives of Mimaropans. According to DOST Mimaropa Regional Director Josefina Abilay, this initiative is part of the agency's commitment to promote sustainable energy solutions in remote areas, helping to enhance local infrastructure and provide communities with a reliable and renewable source of power. Marinduque leads the region with the highest number of solar energy systems with 58 installations, while Occidental Mindoro follows with 27, Oriental Mindoro with 26, Romblon with 13, and Palawan with 11 installations. DOST added that these systems are strategically placed in various community facilities such as multipurpose buildings, water systems, street lights, covered courts, evacuation centers, schools, recreational parks, and museums. The DOST is taking proactive steps toward a sustainable and environmentally friendly future by adopting solar energy solutions.
The DOST continues its programs and projects that aim to further develop science and technology in the Mimaropa region. From the Philippine Information Agency Mimaropa, a sapit for Balitang Pambansa.